Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily delete Facebook account permanently and temporarily. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Facebook account, and here you see my Facebook account is login. In your case, if you haven't logged in, first of all just give the email and password and log into your account, and then click on the profile icon and then scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then just scroll down a little bit and click on settings, and after that again scroll down a little bit and you have to click on profile access and control. And here you have two options, just click on deactivation and deletion, just click on it, and here you will have two options, deactivate account and delete account. So if you want to deactivate temporarily, then click on select the first option, and if you want to delete it permanently, then select the second option and click on continue to count deletion. So in our case we are going to delete that account, so select and click on the continue to delete account, and after that we are just simply click on continue to account deletion, click again on it, and after that it's asking you a lot of questions like you want to deactivate your Facebook Messenger as well, and a lot of things are related to your account, save post in your archive, download your information, transfer your information if you want to, and your pages will be deleted and each and everything. So if you want to manage ownership for apps, it's up to you. And after that you need to click on delete account, and after that you need to provide the password of your account, and after that you have to click on continue, and when you click on the continue your account will be deleted. So be cautious about it and think about it before doing this, because it's not going to revert back. So if you want to just deactivate your account, just select the deactivate option and continue to deactivate, and after that just provide the password and click on continue, and your account will be deactivated for temporarily. So whenever you want to activate your account, just log back in and you can easily access back that account. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.